Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So today I have kind of another what if. What if I try to go for a rose by doing a ring pour, but then doing maybe some of this action with the cup? So, that might be a little strange, but I have mixed up a color that I want to see how this turns out and how it dries. It's magenta with burnt umber added to it to give it a brown undertone. Now, many years ago, I painted with a color that was called Rose Madder, and it was gorgeous. And it's been so many years ago that I just remember that it was gorgeous. And it was kind of a red, but with a little bit of a brown undertone. So that's kind of what I'm going for. I need 2 ounces to cover this with deep sides. It's a 6x6. I have white. This is magenta with burnt umber with Liquitex pouring medium. And the burnt umber and the magenta both had Floetrol in them, but I have added a pretty good amount of Liquitex pouring medium. This is white that was mixed with Liquitex, a little bit of that, some white that was mixed with Floetrol, a little bit of that put together, and then I actually put a little bit of this Deco Art Americana satin white in it. It was a little thin, and I thought, well, that would give me about the right consistency, and I think it did. So I'm going to start out with some white, so it'll come out in the middle. May have just put too much. Then I'm going to put this crazy concoction that I came up with. Some more white. That's a little thicker, I believe, than the white. Okay, we're going to see what happens here. So, unlevel table. I may have had way too much paint. Should have stopped pouring already, I don't know. I'm still not down to the real white. There we go. This may look really weird. We'll just have to wait and see. I think that color's pretty, actually. Shoot, messed up my rose, didn't I? Maybe it'll look like a flower anyway. I think I like this color. I'm not so crazy about the design, but I do think I like the color. Okay, I'm trying to decide now, how am I going to cover my sides? So I don't think my idea worked to make a rose. Looks flowery, but it does not look like a rose. Roses are really hard. I used to paint roses in oil. Very, very, takes a little while to get the knack. Okay, I've lost it off that side now. Doggone it. It's hard to watch all four sides at one time, isn't it? Maybe I'll just stretch it out some more. Okay, I'm gonna stretch it back down that way. Well, but okay, now how do I want to do this? I don't have it moving much. A little bit right in there. Okay, now let me look at this mess. See what I've got. I want to spread that color out. And I think some more of those petals. This just looks really weird in the middle because I had a big cell to pop up there or whatever. Colors are pretty, design is weird. Wonky. Now actually, I kind of like that. Let me get this down here swooped off so it's not going stringing sideways like that. Let's see. Yes, give it some depth right in the middle. Does look a little bit like a rose. I think I may have a rose. Cute. I love this color. Maybe using this color in the future. Okay, I'm gonna hold it up so y'all can see it. Hopefully. See that right in there? I think that looks like a rose. Little bit. I don't think all this so much looks like a rose, but I do think the center does, and I just don't want to stretch it a whole lot more. And I don't think it will stretch a whole lot more. Let me see about getting some of that paint off around the bottom edge. I do like that color. I do like that color. May mess it up if I don't stop. But I think that turned out kind of cute. So I will take the camera down and give you all a close-up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I feel so much better than I did this time last week. Thanks for hanging with me. Okay, so this is how it looks. And that does kind of look like a rosebud, and it does kind of look like three-dimensional. So the outer edges, bright idea I had, didn't work so well. But the colors, I think, did work. I wish that white had not been quite so white. But it definitely does show some definition. Shows all the lines and the rings and all that kind of stuff. So I can see how somebody would think that looked like a rose. I just don't know about all this other stuff. So that's how it turned out. I'm trying to tilt it a little bit so you don't get so much reflection. But thanks so much for watching, and come back and see me again. See what I'm up to. Have a good day. I just played with a little bit because there was a blob that was like that cell that popped up right in there. So I just went in and just kind of smoothed it out a little bit. And I still think this has good three-dimensional look to it. So I'm happy with it. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.